Alright, Tracy, to complete these problems, all you need to do is take 41% of the sample they give you, so the sample being 2,514. We need to find out the 41% of that. So if I just hit equals 2514 times 0.41, that 1030 is my number of yeses when I'm entering in this on the spreadsheet. So 1030.74 goes here. My sample size of 2514 goes here. And my confidence level changes throughout this. So you do a 90, a 95, and a 99. So those are the only statistics going to change throughout here. So I enter in 0.9. Now you must make sure you round off your P calculation and your MOE calculation correctly. Again, there's a note here that says you must manually round the P calculation and the MOE calculation to the place your problem asked you to, and the spreadsheet will handle the rest. So it says round all answers to 2 decimal places, so 0.41, and right here it's looking like 0.02. So my margin of error as a percentage, 2%. And my lower and my upper is 39% to 43%. So all you're doing throughout this is just changing your confidence level. So this time I'm going to enter in 0.95. Again, very similar question. Nothing really changes. And again, this goes about 2%. And 39% to 43%. Now the last one, we got to do 99 confidence. So again, 99, hit enter, make sure everything's rounded properly. The MOE does change here. So that 0.025 can just become 0.03 since we're rounding to 2 decimal places. Hit enter, and so our lower and our upper do change on this, as well as our margin of error. So 3% for the margin of error, 38% for the lower, and 44% for the upper. The more error we allow, the less precise our estimate. Therefore, as the confidence level increases, the precision of our estimate decreases. Alright, I hope this helps.